Hi everyone, Jens Johansson here, founder of J2 Building Consultants, experts in providing building solutions to owners on how to repair and maintain their buildings. From the smallest to tallest, we've spent the last 25 years understanding buildings and construction. Welcome to another free educational video series. In this video, we're going to talk about choosing the right consultant. What I mean about that is we can change that name to choosing the right attorney, choosing the right tax accountant, choosing the right manager, choosing the right contractor, whoever is giving you consulting advice. So as with all of our educational videos, we've found it's most effective if I just talk to you simply just as I would in your conference room or out on the sidewalk in front of your building. We don't need glamorous spotlights and fly-in sound effects to do that. So thank you for taking time and doing your own research and watching this video with us. So let's get started. How to choose the right consultant. And again, you can fill in that blank on how to choose the right any type of vendor that's going to give you some guidance. And watch another one of our videos in this video series about choosing the right leader. And I talk about competent, consciously competent people that can do this work. So the first step out of the 7 here is what specifically do you need done? So get specific. Obviously, one size doesn't fit all. One problem can't be solved by everybody or every type of person. So specific. Get specific about what you want. If you need architecture, obviously you need an architect. If you need accounting, you need probably a CPA, but then you can even get more fine-tuned as you go into there. So get specific, and then seek references. Obviously, the second one, seek references. Do your own research, just like you're doing right now. You're researching who J2 is and who this Jens Johansson guy is. Let's find out more about this person and what do they do? What do their references say? And maybe not just the references they provide you, but the references you can find online, the references you can find in industry associations and the local market. Do they show a proven track record of success? How many years have they been doing this? What do they specialize in? What do their references say about them? And what is their success ratio? These other ones get real. You know, everybody can talk about I'm so successful and I've been in business for umpteen years. But do your own work. Go interview or have them come to you. Do the interview process. We all work on a chemistry-based, do we trust this person after meeting them? Do we work well together? Are they like us? Go see them. Go see them. Visit their office. That's a big one. They don't need the fanciest office, but they need an office appropriate for what they do. It gives you a size of their operation or a feel for the size of their operation. Sitting in somebody's waiting room can often tell you a lot about the company. And then, not to mention, do they work out of their bedroom? And so go see them. Then next, take them for a test drive. See if they'll break down that proposal into phase 1, phase 2. For instance, here's a $10,000 investigation proposal for you. Well, the question would be, how about you come out just for one day, do a $2,000 investigation, and tell us what you think, and then if we like what we hear, or we like how you've worked on it, then come back and do the remainder of this investigation, and maybe we have to pay a little bit more, but we'll get that sampler course first. So see what that test drive does for you. See if you can break down their proposal into maybe a phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. And if you like how they're going, then you can sign a change order or a new contract for phase 2 and a new one for phase 3. That's a way to keep the vendor or the consultant excited. Ultimately, what's your escape clause? Read their contract. I read contracts every day, and there's some interesting, I've seen lots of no escape clauses, but what's your escape clause just in case things don't work out? Do they demand all the profit and overhead even though the job isn't done? Do they require them to be on call or paid for the next 60 or 90 days while the transition goes on? Or is it just either party can terminate this agreement with 7 days written notice and you can go on your own merry way? So read what it says when you're really unhappy. And then ultimately, Do they have any kind of return policy? If you're dissatisfied with their work product, what will they do for you in the sense of, is it a money-back guarantee? Will they fix it for free? Will they step up and take care of their service to you? So seven great ideas to check out your next consultant, check out your next hire, or your next person that you use to help you with your buildings. So if you have any more questions about this, please contact us. Thanks for your time.